everyone, and I'm teacher Zian. So what is in my hand in here? So now, using from this kit, you're gonna learn the addition and subtraction within 20 very well. Alright, so now let's check out what are the parts inside this kit. Okay, so now, first of all, inside the box, you have so many number stickers, right? You need to paste it on all these little squares. And after you paste it all, then let's look at the first board in here. Okay, this board is gonna help your children understand the addition and subtraction very well. So, for example, I want to work out 7 adding 2. Okay, so what is the result of 7 adding 2? So now you can see that here you have so many circles, right? Let's use 7 pink circles and put it on top. Since we are adding the 2, let's put 2 blue circles on the bottom. Okay, so after you put 7 pink circles together with 2 blue circles, how many circles are there in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, you get the answer as 7 adding 2 equals to 9. So, look at all these squares, you need to find out 9. Okay, so 9 is in here, alright? So, this is how you sort out the addition, okay, using the little circles in here.